The first thing to do is remove the trim for the radiator grille. Open the hood. Unscrew the trim, at these bolts. There are 2 on the left-hand side and 2 on the right. The trim can then simply be lifted off. The license plate and license plate holder must also be removed. Only 4 bolts need to be unscrewed, in order to remove the bumper. 2 of these are at the top. When reinstalling the bumper later on, the specified tightening torque must be observed. The 4 bolts have a torque of 20 Nm at the top and 25 Nm at the front. For the 2 front bolts you will need an extension on the cordless driver. Pull out the arm of the spray system and remove the cover. This bolt must also be unscrewed on both sides. Turn the steering to facilitate access in the wheel well in the next step. The bumper is fastened with plastic rivets on each side. 3 must be undone in the wheel well. The rest are unfastened at the bottom edge of the bumper. A plastic wedge is the best tool for this. This tool helps to pull the bumper off the fender. The flat end of the tool is carefully inserted into the gap between the front trim and the fender. Note: lever the bumper off gently. Always be careful not to scratch the paintwork. At last the bumper can be removed with the aid of a colleague. The front fog lamps in the bumper are still attached by cables to the bodywork. The connectors of the front fog lamps and the Parktronic must be unplugged. Now pull the outside air temperature sensor out of the bumper. Next, disconnect the hose from the water tank. It is best to hold your finger over the hole before attaching the plug. The water hose is attached to the spray system here. This hose is also disconnected. The spray unit can be detached from the body by 3 bolts. Now unscrew the cylindrical spray unit from the installation frame. The green seal should always be replaced before installation. To seal off the connections, use the plug set W90589009100. Install in the reverse order. The windshield washer system will work correctly again afterwards.